Happy birthday, anak. I love you so much.
Baby, won't you come around? I've been looking for some love, the kind I always see around.
All I wanted for you is to be happy and a God-fearing child. I also wanted you to reach your goal and always remember that mommy and daddy will always support you in all matters, okay? I love you.
Baby, won't you come on down? Let me take you out tonight. I know this place downtown. We can have some natural wine and talk about how life keeps getting.
I wish good health, always happy, and whatever her dream is, I'll support her all the way.
All of the good and the bad and the ugly. I just want it all with you, all with you. 'Cause I want all of the things that we know and we don't see. I just want it all with you, all with you.
Happy birthday! Good health lang, saka huwag magmamana sa pagmamanahan. Aray! I love you.
When you're not sure of anything, I'll be right by your side.
I've been trying to come back now, and baby, you're
Kaya mahal ko kayo. Gagawin ni Daddy ang lahat para matustusan yung lahat ng pangangailangan nyo. Ayusin ang pag-aaral sana sa paglaki ninyo. At maging may takot sa Diyos. At mahal na mahal ko kayo. Mahal na mahal, Dad. Love you.
'cause I want